You know, the lecture actually reminded me of this idea called the 10,000 hour, 10-year rule. Has anyone else heard of it?
Mm-mm.
No.
Oh yeah, I have. It says something like you have to study something or practice something really hard for either 10,000 hours or 10 years to become really great at something.
Whoa, well, that's encouraging. That means that I just have to study English for another 5 years to be really good at it?
Well, I have to say, I found it a little surprising that the instructor really didn't talk about, or she didn't really emphasize, that the importance of innate talents more.
Like talents that we're born with? I don't know, for like music and literature, art, science.
Yeah.
I think she actually did cover that, in a way. I think she just wanted to stress the parts of genius that we can control, kind of like being motivated, being curious, or creative when you approach something.
Okay, but you have to acknowledge the innate part is a huge factor. I mean, look at Mozart and his innate talent for music, or Emily Dickinson and her innate talent for literature. You think anyone can do what they did just by being curious or practicing a lot?
No, you're right. They had talents, but they built on them. I mean, Mozart, he practiced for hours. His father forced him.
So he was born with talent, but he had to work really hard to develop it.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of working hard, maybe we should get back into our notes. All right, so how do I identify a gifted child?